Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devrina, and in today's video I will be talking about the brand Amrutam, and I have two of the products from this particular brand and I have been using them for about 2 weeks now, and I will be giving my honest opinion about all of these products. So one of them is a very famous hair spa and the other one is a charcoal mask. So if you want to know about these products, then please keep on watching. So talking about the brand Amrutam, it is a 100% Ayurvedic brand. It is free from any harmful chemicals and they are made from 100% natural ingredients. So they are actually very good for your skin. Now I have been seeing this brand all over the internet, so I thought why not I go ahead and try out this brand. Before diving on to the review of the product, let me tell you about their packaging. I absolutely loved their packaging and their packaging really stood out to me. So normally we get our packaging in a box. They also had a box sent to me, but they also had this particular bag in which all of the products were kept. This is like a jute bag and it has like a design over here and Amrutam written on the back, and it is a very sturdy bag. It has all of these clasps and a lot of space inside. And another thing is that though it came in a bag, all of these products were really well bubble wrapped. Like the charcoal mask which is there was a glass container. They had really bubble wrapped it very well so that all of the products that you are getting are secured. So that is something I absolutely liked about this brand. So starting with the first product, which is the Kuntal hair spa. So this is a do-it-yourself hair treatment. So basically it's a hair spa which is Ayurvedic and which you can do it at your home. So this one comes in a plastic container like this, which is pretty travel friendly, and you also get a beautiful outer box like this, which I feel looks really beautiful. Like I really like the print on it. Now coming to the product, this is a 100% Ayurvedic product. It has a lot of ingredients like Triphala, eucalyptus oil, Bhringraj, Amla, Neel, Brahmi, and all of these ingredients are mentioned right over here, and also the instruction and everything is mentioned on the packaging itself. And you get about 200 ml of quantity and the price of the product is 649 rupees. Now I feel for an Ayurvedic product which has so many good ingredients, this is a great price point. Now let's go ahead and check out the demo of this product. Now as you saw that this product actually made my hair look super smooth, super shiny, and actually reduced the frizz of my hair. But something which I absolutely felt is that the smell of this is something which not many people might be a fan of. The smell of this is completely of henna. So if you like henna, you will love this. Like for me, I absolutely love the smell of henna. So I really like the fragrance and it was very calming to me. And I also noticed that after washing off my hair, the smell stayed on my hair for about 3 to 4 days even after shampooing. So that is something you have to remember, that this smell will not go away very quickly. For me personally, I did not face any kind of problem, but if you are someone who is not very comfortable with fragrance, then this might be a problem for you. Coming to my experience with with this product. I really liked the product. I loved how it worked for me, but just one thing which I felt is that I used up a lot of quantity. As you can see, this is just one use of the product and this much is over, so I might be able to use it only 2 more times. But you have to remember, I do have very thick hair, so I do need a lot of product. But if you are someone who has thin hair or who has shorter hair than of mine, then this will last you for a longer period of time. Another thing is that this product really smoothen out my hair. Now I have to tell you that I have color treated hair, so I felt that it was able to work on my natural hair better than my color treated hair, if that makes any sense. Like over here, as you can see, I do have ombre on my hair, so my ends are colored, whereas my upper portion is not colored. So I felt that my this particular hair spa worked much better on this part of my hair than considering the ends. I felt my ends to be a little dry, but I do have to mention that I really have very dry ends, because these have been colored like 6 months ago and they have been very dry. So I felt that this did not work as well for my dry ends, but I have used this product only once, and that is my opinion about it. I feel that by using this product more and more, I will be able to see a result on my hair. Honestly, this product really worked well. Like, I really liked how my hair felt, just that I felt that it could have done much better for my the dry ends, because I did apply a lot of product on my ends, but I did not feel that kind of a difference. Now this product also helps in your hair regrowth, and if you are facing any kind of hair fall, now touch wood, I do not face any kind of problem like that, but if you are someone who is facing this issue, then this product will really help you out with that. And also another thing is that while I was washing my hair in the shower, I did not notice any kind of hair fall, because usually with hair spa treatment and conditioners you do see some hair fall coming out. With this one I did not see anything, and the best thing about this is the beautiful shine that it gives on your hair, which actually lasts for a really long time. So yes, that was my review of this product, and I would definitely recommend this. You should go ahead and try this one out. This is a really good hair spa, and this is an affordable and natural hair spa. If you are someone looking for natural ingredients in your hair spa, then this is the one you should be trying. Now coming to the second product, which is this one. This is the Amrutam charcoal face mask. So this is like a clay mask, and this one retails for 1100 rupees for 150 gram of product, which I feel is definitely steep for a face mask, but this has very beautiful ingredients, and this really works on your skin. So this is like a worth it product if you consider the price. Now let's go ahead and check out the demo of this product. So as you saw, this one gave a very beautiful glow on my skin, and this one actually really cleanses out the dirt and gunk from my face. And I've also seen a difference in the tanning. It has helped me to reduce my tanning, especially on my forehead region where I generally get the tan. So this one actually gives a more even out skin tone and helps in removing any kind of dark spots or pigmentation that you might be having on your skin. And the best thing about this is that this is 100% Ayurvedic, so you're not putting any kind of harmful chemical on your face, but yet you are actually helping your skin in order to get that beautiful glowing, smooth and supple look. And I also really felt that my skin felt extremely soft after I removed the product. I do not have any complaint for this product. I really liked it and I loved using this. This is by far the best clay mask that I have ever tried. Like, I have tried out many different clay masks, but this one, the results that I got from this is extremely beautiful. And also when you are applying this face mask on your face, you feel like a very refreshed feeling. So it just gives a very beautiful, calm and refreshed feeling. So yeah, I really liked it. Just one con that I have to mention is I'm not a fan of the packaging of the product, because this comes in a glass jar. As you can see, this is not travel friendly at all. Other than that, I do not like the cap of this, because funnily मेरे को नहीं समझ आता, पता है, like this kind of cap, this jar kind of cap, ये कब बंद होता है, कब खुलता है, कब लॉक होता है, whether it is locked or not. I do not like the cap of this, honestly. I don't know why they made a packaging like this. Other than that, this product is really amazing. I know it is little bit or steep on the price point, but this is absolutely worth it. And because this is like a very liquidy texture, you will not even need a lot of product, so this is going to last you for a really long time. I like using this twice a week for my skin and I have been loving this. This has been working really great for my skin and I would highly recommend you try this one out. That was all for my review of this particular brand. I absolutely loved both of the products and I would highly recommend those to you guys. Now I will be putting all of their details and links in the description box down below. Do check them out. They are an amazing brand and they are doing amazingly great work. If you're someone who is in a lookout for 100% natural skincare products, then they are a website you should definitely check out. They not only have face skincare but also body and hair care. They have absolutely everything that you would need. Definitely check them out, and if you like this video, then definitely give this one a big like, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me when you subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram, because I am very active on my Instagram and I do post a lot of daily content on my Instagram, so do check that out. I will be putting the handle somewhere on the screen. And that was all for this particular video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.